Guten Tag. Wie geht's? All is good? That is the extent of my German, I'm afraid. However, in English, we do have a few German words that have crept their way into the language. Not as many as French or Italian, but still quite a few. The first one we have is kindergarten, or kindergarten as we say in English. Kindergarten is probably the most popular word we use because it's where we send children, as you do in Catalonia, before they go to primary school. They go to kindergarten. The second German word that has crept its way into the English language is Leitmotiv. Leitmotiv is a musical note which shows up repetitively. It is a fixed musical phrase, such as the one you're just about to hear. Yes, exactly, him. All right, the next one we have is Poltergeist. Now, you might remember Poltergeist as being the name of a movie back in the 1980s. Come to the light, Caroline, was one of the famous lines. But Poltergeist is very simple. It's a ghost, a typical ghost that comes into your house and moves the furniture around. Then we have diesel, or as you say in Catalan and Spanish, diesel. But we don't say diesel. We say diesel because diesel comes from the word from diesel engine from German. Okay? Obviously, great car mechanics such as Volkswagen and Audi, etc., use diesel engines. And finally, one of my favorite words, Uber. Uber is a funny, informal preposition. We can say, for example, uber funny, which means super funny, or uber exciting. It's very exciting. So, have an uber fantastic trip on the rest of the program. Thank you.